Assalamu alaikum. I am Humaira Islam. I am the teacher of a National English School, Chittagong. Today, I am going to talk about some errors that we make mistake when you are using articles. A, an, and the are the articles. These articles are used every time, but believe it or not, many students, when they speak English, they happily mistake when they use a and the articles. So, you can deal with these errors to make the sentence perfectly. Here, we can say the 5 rules of errors when we use articles. Okay, first rules. Don't use a or an with a plural uncountable noun. All of you know that what is plural uncountable noun? Plural is one more than. Uncountable noun means that noun that is can't count, that is uncountable noun. For example, we can't say a knowledge. Okay. We can't use a knowledge because we can't say give me 1 knowledge, 2 knowledge, 3 knowledge. It's better more than give me some knowledge. For example, an information, it's not like that. Okay. We can use give me some information, so not use a or an with this plural uncountable noun. Second rule, a or an follows the sound as like vowel or consonant sound. From the childhood, we know what is vowel sound, what is consonant sound. Vowel sound as like a, e, I, o, u. Are the except letters or consonant a, e, I, o, u, except all of the letters are consonant. For example, we can say an hour. See, hour pronounced H eloped. Here hour deals with the vowel sound. That's why it sits N and hour. Another example, a uniform. U sounds like that consonant. Okay, a uniform. Also we can say an umbrella. Umbrella is the consonant, it's a vowel. Okay, this is an umbrella. So, third rule, use a or an with a noun after it. Okay, for example, I am an officer. Officer deals with this noun. A noun deals with article an. Officer, O is the vowel, that's why an sits an. Okay. Fourth rule, use the with the specific things. For example, the meat of the market may not be fresh. Here, the market is the specific things. That's why it sits before the. Market is the specific things. Next fifth rule is the don't use the with this lot of things. A lot of things means countries, continents, states, etc. For example, as like countries, we can say we live in Bangladesh, but not we can say we live in the Bangladesh. It's mistake, it's error. We say we live in Bangladesh. Okay, for another example, we can say continents. We live in Asia. Not we can say we live in the Asia. Okay, that is not correct. Okay, for example, we can also say states. We can say we live in California, but not we can say we live in the California. So all of you see that we cannot state this way, we cannot use the with this lot of things. So guys, these are the few ways which can avoid actually errors when you are using articles. I hope you all find very informative and make it sure don't make mistakes again. That's it. Thanks for today. Allah Hafiz.